everyone, welcome back to 25 Sweetpeas. Today for you, I'm going to be doing another kind of summery manicure. Actually, this is also kind of based off of yesterday's video. So today I'm going to be showing you how to create these lemon nails that were inspired by the lemon design that we designed together on Instagram stories via polls. So first off, I've started with kind of a teal aqua-ish base color, which is what you guys decided on for the mask that I released yesterday on Society 6. And I used Heroine NYC's Son of a Beach, and this is a really good cream polish. And then on top of that, I used some yellow acrylic paint to create some lemon-like shapes all over my nails, and I did this on all of my nails as well. So you could totally not do that. You could just use this as an accent nail or something to that extent, do two, really change it up and not do as much. Because this does take a little bit of time, because I actually have this on double speed, I think it is, and I might actually go ahead and speed it up a bit more. Because this does take a little bit of time, but I'm using acrylic paint, and my yellow paint was a bit more sunshiny yellow, so I added a little bit of white to it actually to like lighten it a little bit to make it look a little bit more like a real lemon. But also, you know, lemons kind of vary, so that's okay if you don't want to mix it with with a white to get it lighter. You're perfectly fine either way. And brush wise, I am using a new to me brush from What's Up Nails. This is the Dance collection that I used in the tile video earlier this week. I'm gonna check the number on it because I'm not sure which number it was. I think it is 24. Let me check here. Yes, it is What's Up Nails Dance Brush in size 24, and I am absolutely loving this brush. It works so well, as you guys could tell. I felt like I had full control over it. So now what I am working on, actually, you kind of can't really see, I'm noticing while watching this back, but what I am doing is adding some shading. So I added extra white to the yellow to kind of make highlights on the lemons, which you could totally skip this step if you want. And then I also went in with the straight yellow, putting any white in it, and added some shadows as well, which, like I said, you can't tell super well on camera, but that is what I'm doing with the intention of getting some shadows and highlights and such going on to make it look a little bit more realistic. This video is turning to be all over the place, but hopefully you guys are following along. Then the next step, I put in some little leaves on top of the lemons like they were freshly picked off of a tree. And for the green this time, I kind of wanted to not go too like grass green, so I went more of a mossy green, but I added a little bit of white to it to lighten it up to kind of go with like a sun bleach like look. And I felt like that just went well with the background and the shade of the lemons that we were working with. Then I went in and added a bit of a darker mossy green as well. And then after all of that was done and everything was 100% dry, I applied a matte top coat to finish it all off. And that was it. So here's a look at the final manicure and all of my nails. I definitely feel like this took a little bit of time, but it was super fun to do. And I'm loving these new brushes from What's Up Nails. If you guys want to check them out, I will have them linked down below. They were sent to me for a review, or kind of just for me to use. But yeah, that didn't change my feelings for them. The brushes are really, really good so far, and I'm loving them, which is why I've already featured them in more than one video. But I think that is officially it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this, and I will see you back here soon for another new video. Bye!